What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about free NFT project Moopy. Specifically, I'm going to be focusing on their minting mechanism. But before I'm going to start, if you are watching this video just the first time, so this project is a free mint and it's still not too late to get on a whitelist spot. So what you have to do, just follow them on Twitter. They're constantly doing Twitter giveaways. Join their Discord. They also doing giveaway on their Discord as well. So let's switch over to actual mint mechanism. And the reason why I like to cover this, because the entire supply is 6,789 NFTs, but 4,000 out of them is going to be free mint, and the rest of them, 2,789, is going to be fair auction. So let me explain in detail exactly how this is going to work. First, 4,000, they're free NFTs, and right here, this is how they're broken down, how they're distributing them. 200 for first raffle, 400 community and contributors, then 400 marketing, 500 project collaboration, 600 blue chip holders, 900 alpha passes, and then 1000 it's for events and giveaways. And then if we scroll down more right here, we can see right here, this is the public sale fair auction. So I'm gonna read this through and then I'm gonna explain step by step. So the remaining 2,789 Moopies and any unminted Moopy from Moop list will be distributed through a public sale via fair auction. The auction is designed to be as transparent and fair to everyone as possible to ensure a healthy distribution of Moopies and strong supportive community amongst the holder. The auction structure will be as follows. Step number 1. There will be a 24-hour subject to changes duration where anyone can submit their bid. So once they're gonna open up the auction, you will have 24 hours to submit bid. Then second, bids are recorded transparently on chain and participant can submit multiple bids. In 24 hours, you can submit multiple bids if you decide to actually buy multiple Moopies. Then number 3, the price of each bid is dedicated by the bidder and there are no minimum or maximum bid requirements. So you can bid 1 Ethereum or you can bid 0.01. Doesn't matter, there are no any requirements. But then we'll discuss later how they're gonna actually decide and sort the price and sort every bid. Then number 4, at the end of the bidding window, all submitted bids will be sorted in a descending order. In the event that there are multiple bids with the same price, the sorting would be based on time submission. So for example, if there's going to be multiple bids, let's say 50% of Ethereum, they'll make sure they'll sort that amount by time it was submitted. The top 2,789 bids, winning bids, will be allocated with 1 Moopy NFT per bid. So once all the bids are going to be sorted from the top to bottom, let's say that number 1 was 1 Ethereum and the lowest one, let's say 10% of Ethereum. Every single bid that's going to be in this specific range will have chance to buy 1 Moopy NFT. Then number 6, the price of the 2,789 bid will be marked as qualifying price. So once they're gonna sort every single bid out, and let's say total it was 10,000 bids, and from highest to lowest, once they're gonna reach this specific number, that's gonna be the qualifying price. So let's say highest was 1 Ethereum and let's say lowest was 0.01, and then in the middle, when they got down to this number, the price was set on this specific number. That's going to be the qualifying price. Then number 7, all winning bids above the qualifying price will have excess Ethereum refunded. So here's an example, 1 Ethereum bid and then 0.4 Ethereum qualifying price, then 0.6 Ethereum will be refunded. So let's say qualifying price was only 10% of Ethereum, and if your bid was 1 Ethereum, then 90% will be refunded. So that way, every single person who bidded will actually going to be paying exactly the same price. The price is going to be based on 2,789 bid, or the amount is going to be allocated, because whatever is not going to be minted for free, it's going to be added to the public fair auction. And then the last part, all bids below the qualifying price will receive a full refund on their bid price and will be considered for future incentives with the Moopy ecosystem. If you didn't know, this is not just a PFP project. They're actually building entire ecosystem, and I'm not gonna go into it, but if you will press on each and every tab, you can see that they're offering staking mechanism, they're gonna have their own coins, and etc. And then the last part, this auction structure ensures that the price of each Moopy distributed in a public sale is consistent for every winner, and that the top bidder will end up paying the same price as the bottom bidder. It's also intended such that no participant entered into the ecosystem feeling that they have overpaid for a Moopy. Like I stated earlier, this is a fair auction, that's why they call it. Everybody's gonna pay exactly the same price. The only reason why you're bidding is just to get into that bidding spot above this number or allocated number for fair auction. And then if we scroll down here, right here is an example. Let's say if out of 4,211 Moopies will not be minted, then it's going to be added to this number right here, 2,789. Total is going to come out to 3,000. This is just an example. And then this is the actual chart, the one I was just basically explaining earlier. Bids. This is going to be the bid rank from 1 to 3,000 or whatever that number is going to be. Then the bid price, the highest, and then the lowest on that last NFT that's going to be available. And that's going to be actual qualifying price. And the third column, this is going to be the refund amount you're going to get. And whatever is going to be under that last qualifying number, they're all going to get full refund. So this is just a basic breakdown you can refer to. And this is pretty much it. That's how public sale fair auction is gonna work for this specific project. And I will leave all links in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.